Rasta man a hustler, so every dollar a fi flip. The shop a fi set up, police stack out and well equipped. Revenues a fi come in, come on a fi a see profit. Hypocrite a watch your food, them better stop and take a tip car. I'm putting in the hard work. Some money brokers have me as a money making expert. I'm putting in the hard work. That's why a champagne alone quench me girlfriend thirst. I'm putting in the hard work. And hard workers deserve all their props and perks. For putting in the hard work. Big Gonzilla, Minister of Commerce. Now to all my ganja farmers selling pounds of cannabis. They study economics like a real economist. I go through every statement like a scholar with a script. The age and demographics of the shoppers on my list. Shopping sprees on me girls had to insist. Some man a say them a king and them a live walk list. And all lazy boy them fi get dismissed. Girl come get your business fixed. I'm putting in the hard work. Some money brokers have me as a money making expert. I'm putting in the hard work. A peanut punch alone quench me girlfriend thirst. I'm putting in the hard work. And hard workers deserve all their props and perks. For putting in the hard work. Respect to all white and blue collar shirt. Silla is a DJ, set me well down to earth. This a no show off, exalt nor exert. Influence the youths, them fit, build them worth. Make them know, say them blessed from birth. Never you jealous of the next man purse. Grabbing up barrels and to make things worse. Enough of them we sell out them best friend first. Silla only sell out concerts. Cause I'm putting in the hard work. Some money brokers have me as a money making expert. I'm putting in the hard work. That's why a Sperline alone quench me girlfriend thirst. I'm putting in the hard work. And hard workers deserve benefits and perks. I'm putting in the hard work. Respect to all the doctor and nurse. Rasta man a hustler, so every dollar a fi flip. The shop a fi set up, fully stack out and well equipped. Revenues a fi come in, come on a fi a see profit. Hypocrite a watch your food, them better stop and take a tip. Cause the money never stay when time you make the money quick. The race is marathon and it is not run by the swift. These years of practicing but still developing my gift. But them think is a bingo ticket. No, I'm putting in the hard work. Some money brokers know me as a money making expert. I'm putting in the hard work. That's why a fruit juice alone quench me girlfriend thirst. I'm putting in the hard work. And hard workers deserve all their props and perks.